Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a zip file into Onshape. So what you need to do, let's go to your primary Onshape document landing page and then select the blue create button here at the top left corner. Now choose import files from that drop down menu and then let's head over here to find this zip file, let's say this one, and click open. This window will show up so you can import to a single document, split into multiple documents, combined to a single part studio. Now also what you can choose is import appearances, import material density, orient imported models with y-axis up, create a composite part when importing multiple or non-solid bodies, join, so you can check all of them and then hit import. And just like that, you will see here at the bottom this imported zip file. And if we go here to cat at the bottom left corner or all tabs, you will find this file right over here. And yeah, you can download it again when you do some changes, or yeah. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next